Well, we made it. It's the last video of the year, and 2018 has been completely nuts. I feel like a totally different person living a totally different life than I was 12 months ago. And I thought it would just be kind of fun to take a look at where we've been, where we're at, and where we're going on this channel. But I really want to make this a collaboration with you since you're such an important part of what makes this channel move forward. So here's what I need you to do. In the comment section, I've pinned a comment to the top that has a couple of questions that you can answer. All you need to do is go down to the comment section and copy that comment, paste it in your own comment, and fill in the blanks. You can fill out all the questions or some of them or none of them if you want, and just say whatever you want. I want to get a conversation going because I want to hear about your experience with me and with this channel, and I want to hear about where you'd like to see things go in the next year. So, 2018. 2018 to me was a year of discovery and growth. Specifically on this channel, it was really the point where things transitioned from me trying to be a vlogger into more camera, photography, videography based content. I started this channel originally wanting to do more vlog content and just really connect with people sharing my day-to-day experience. My goal has always been to keep things positive and encouraging so that everyone, no matter where you are, no matter who you are, you can get involved and you can become part of the community. And basically, the deeper and deeper that I got into this camera, videography, photography world, I found that's all I really wanted to talk about. That's all I really wanted to do. And so the content naturally transitioned from vlogging into this more kind of photo-centric kind of channel. Basically, if my vlogs were gonna end up being me talking about camera stuff all the time anyway, I figured I might as well give it some kind of a structure. And with that came growth. Apparently people like camera stuff. This channel started 2018 off with 604 subscribers, and I was totally blown away by that. I couldn't believe that 600 people wanted to watch my content. And now, finishing off the year, the channel is pushing towards 24,000 subscribers. That's literally the population of my hometown. So needless to say, the subscriber growth on this channel has been a little bit overwhelming, and I'm just so happy that some people are out there connecting with this content and really just enjoying the stuff that I'm putting out into the world. And I feel so lucky that my community has been such a positive one. When you guys reach out to me, either in the comments or over on Instagram or on Twitter, it's just such a positive experience for me, and I have so much fun connecting with you. At this point, I'm still trying to respond to every single comment and every single message I receive, so if you guys are holding your hand up, you know I'm not leaving you hanging. I know that might not be sustainable forever, but I'm doing the best I can to keep up with it because I really do value the voice of the people in this community. So keep leaving your comments, keep sending me messages, let's keep this thing going. In 2018, I posted my first lens review, and it blew up by my standards at the time, but that was just the tip of the iceberg and I didn't even know it at the time. This channel now has 1.25 million views. I have one video out there alone that has 250,000 views, although the music in that one seemed to annoy a couple of people. I followed up that first lens review with a couple more, and I really started to find the formula on what I liked in a review. I got connected with Sigma lenses and Fujifilm, who started to send me loaner gear to review, which felt really special. The Sigma reviews seemed to be the bread and butter of this channel, and the Fujifilm stuff was a whole lot of fun to try out, even though sometimes the Fujifilm fans could be a little bit intense in the comment section. But as harsh as they might be, I admire their enthusiasm. I did my very first brand integration with a company called Vital House Athlete Shake, and I have a great connection now with that company and with their owner, Chris. I highly recommend you check them out. I teamed up with Shutout to do not one but 2 photography contests. The second one is still live if you haven't entered it yet. There's a link in the description if you want to check that out. I partnered with some cool brands like Storyblocks, Skillshare, and Motion Array, and through their support, I was able to pass on some cool offers to you guys. I held my first camera gear giveaway with Small Rig, and there were over 1,600 entries. I met so many amazing creators on this platform, and I even got the chance to collaborate with a handful of them. And most importantly this year, I had a ton of fun making videos, and the general feedback that I've been getting from my audience is that you guys have been enjoying it too. So where do we go from here? How do we make sure that 2019 is even better than 2018 was? Well, first of all, I plan to press on with what I've already started on this channel, so more gear reviews, more tutorials, more tips and tricks, and just more value for the community. At this point, I'm pretty much putting vlogging on the back burner for now, unless something really special is happening, and I'm gonna focus on the content that adds a lot more value for you guys. I know some of you guys are really interested in what's happening in my daily life, and if that's the case, make sure to go hop over to Instagram and follow me there, where I do a little bit more kind of behind the scenes and day-to-day stuff. I'm getting more opportunities to team up with brands, and in 2019, one of my goals is to try and make sure that in those deals, I work out something to get some value for you guys. Whether that be a promotion or a free trial, I want to work more things in that give value to you guys so that you can create better content or create more content. And I also want to be teaming up with more brands to do giveaways, because you guys seem to really like that and you're always asking me for it, so ask and ye shall receive. So not only do you want to make sure you're keeping an eye on the description box, because that's where I'll be putting these promotions, but also if you head over to my website at dunnadidit.com, you can sign up to be part of the Dunna Did It notification squad. YouTube has got a lot of flack over the last year for not showing subscribers the videos from the channels they subscribe to, and on other social medias it's kind of hit or miss whether you see what I'm posting. So I've started the Dunna Did It notification squad to be able to tell you guys when I have new videos, when I have promotions, sales, when I have awesome team ups with brands that you guys are gonna get something out of. So make sure to head over and sign up for that if you wanna be in the know of everything that's going on in the Dunna Did It universe. And speaking of my website, I'm definitely gonna be putting some more stuff up on the store over there. It's looking a little lonely right now. On top of my 2018 preset pack, I'm definitely gonna be making some new Lightroom presets this year. I'm gonna make some Luts soon, and maybe even some merch eventually. You guys have been asking for that a little bit, so who knows. Again, if you sign up for the notification squad, you'll be the first to know. But mostly in 2019, I really just want to continue experimenting and learning and growing and passing on everything that I learned to you guys. That really is the most rewarding part of this whole thing. So make sure to keep watching and commenting and messaging and let me know what you guys want to see. I've absolutely loved growing with you in 2018, and I can't wait to do it all again in 2019. Happy New Year and all the best in 2019. And I'll see you next time.